Smoke game in the house. Smoke dog. Millscale. It's going down. It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We got the smoke show on the road today. We're out here in Lockhart, Texas, checking out the guys here at Millscale. We picked up some raffle items for our charity event that we're going to be raffling off here soon. So we're going to check out the old school spots that are almost 100 years old. It's going to be some special treat to see this place, man. It's going to be great. We're going to head right down the road. All right, what's going down? We're here at Smitty's Market in Lockhart. We just left Millscale Metalworks, which is right down the road. We just picked up the gifts for the raffle. So this is Smitty's. This is my favorite place in Lockhart. There's a few that've been around for a long time. There's the Original Blacks. There's Kreitz Market, Smitty's here, and then Chisholm Trail. I just like Smitty's. The vibe's good. The people were always great. The old school inside. It's just my jam. So let's go get some food and check it out. All right, if you guys ever been here, you know they got the open pits right here. You can feel that heat. How's it going, guys? So these places have been here since 1924. Same pits, same kind of wood, same kind of smoke, baby. Can't go wrong with the old school spot. They got the best sausage in the game, baby. Let's get some. OG places, cash only. Yeah, it's fine. One's fine, yeah. All right, let's check out the spread. Oh, that bad boy. We got the bread. My bread. Check out that chop, though. Can the camera see that chop? Look at that thing. Juicy. Oh, look at that smoke. And we got the N1 with the flavor. Oh, that is so good. Try that sausage. You gotta go sausage first. All right. Sausage first. So this place doesn't believe in forks. Oh, so you don't get forks. Huh?
My kind of people.
It's so juicy.
Yeah, it's so soft. Oh,
same way for almost 100 years, you know? It's crazy, right? It's my favorite sausage. When I come out here, I buy like 5 to go. Throw them in the freezer, you know? They even sell them by the case. I know.
That drip.
That's that brisket.
Oh.
Yeah, it's definitely really rich, but the flavor is so good.
Wow.
Got my little wet wipe here, luckily. I think
it's so tender.
I know.
How's the bread for?
I know, right? Look, mine's got drippings on it. So turkey's up next. We got the coleslaw, we got the potato salad, mac and cheese. You know the staples. Big red all day.
It ain't barbecue if you got the mac and cheese.
Don't forget about the sides.
Big red.
All right. Got that turkey. So what I like to do, I like to make me a little sandwich.
All right. Cut it.
Cut it up a little bit. Stack it up a little bit. Get you a pickle.
Do myself a special. Taco.
A little sando.
Is this gonna be as good as your turkey?
I don't know. We'll see. They've been doing it for a lot longer than me, but my turkey game is strong. Turkey pack.
Hold on.
See what difference between my turkey and theirs? Theirs is just all smoked,
Wow.
salt, pepper, no new seasoning rub that's out. It's old school, you know?
Not dry at all.
And by the looks, you might think it might be.
Okay.
That's because they don't wrap or anything here, you know? They run it, no foil, no nothing, no paper on briskets, anything.
Wow.
It's just cooked the whole way through. Served up right. That's that old school mac and cheese.
Yeah, not too cheesy, not too salty, just right on the money.
Let's see what's up with this.
Oh yeah.
Chop though. Man, I don't even know where to begin with this beast.
Man. It just looks like a party.
I've never gotten one. I've never even seen it up there. I watched a YouTube of this place earlier and I'm like, a pork chop? What's up with that pork chop though?
I always love the ends.
Mmm.
Look at that balance.
It's a really good chop. I'm gonna say it's like a pork loin. Well, it is. Some chop.
Man. So juicy.
Super.
You bite into it and it just like fills your mouth.
I'm surprised on the chop. That's my go-to from now on.
Yeah. And look,
Chop.
it's just very
Chopped sausage turkey. Perfect lunch combo. Any barbecue spot.
Pogo.
All right, we got the coleslaw. That OG for $1.50. I can't beat it. I'm a coleslaw fan. Fresh. You like coleslaw?
Nope.
I know you don't
My
like
wife
coleslaw.
loves coleslaw.
I know you don't like coleslaw. You don't like
My wife
veggies.
likes coleslaw, potato salad. That's not me, bro. That's not me right there.
All right, mac and cheese only.
Mac and cheese. I go with mac and cheese.
So what you think? Solid spot? Can't go wrong with the OG, huh? The building has a natural, there's other pits in there that was used from the 20s. These are same era, but there's a natural draw to the building that pulls it up. Like, you see how the smoke was drawing through there? You know what I mean? It was literally pulling through, and the building, the way it's peeled with the, it's like crazy when you look at the pits, all the smoke's blowing straight through.
Yeah. So
There's
that's
no
why
wind.
they have the fires outside, is just because it.
It has a natural draw to the chimney. Crazy, right?
Wow.
I know. There's not many places like
That's
that.
like one of the best experiences is walking in and you just feel the heat.
I mean, seeing it and seeing is believing. You're like, damn, they cooked that shit right here.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? Like, there ain't no faking that. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah.
It's legit. All right, well, I'm Matt here with Smoke Game Strong. We got Dave, man. He killed it on the filming today, like always. So what you think of the OG spot?
Dude, 10 out of 10. Love this spot, man. It just, that when you walk in, it's a whole different experience that what you get in everyday restaurant, everyday barbecue. Like, this is amazing.
Yeah, you don't get to see the show. Here you see where it's right at from the beginning, and then you get your food, and you're like, well, there it is, you know? There's no faking that. So another time, another episode of the Smoke Show. I'm Matt with Smoke Game Strong. This is the Smoke Show on the road, here from Lockhart, Texas, at Smitty's Market.